Box, guys. Let's see, this must be the elder. I've never carved elder before, guys, so I'm looking forward to this. I'll have to check that out, guys. Awesome, bro. Awesome, bro. Right there, bro. I have this piece of elder here I've cut. And I give it, you can see, I cut a triangle out of the log. And then I cut the top half off the triangle, just to give me less to remove. I cut in under the nose, brought that up. That's what I have. I'm going to wrap it in here, bro, see how it goes. So it's not too bad if we need to cut in here, in the sides of here. Just down the side of the moustache really, and into the eyeballs, bro. And then lower the whole top of the nose. Lower that big bump off the nose. Take it back away, obviously. And that'll get it back on the forehead. Lower that down in between the two eyes. And flatten out that eyebrow a wee bit. Level out the head. So it shouldn't take too long, bro. That's what we've got for the first cut. Right, bro. Here we go, mate. Here we go. Hang on, bad boy, bro. Fucking can't wait to sand it up there, bro. Check out the on bad boy. Just finished all the cuts, all the details. The fucking green in it's beautiful, bro. So that's what I was at there now, bro. That's what we've got done. I'm just gonna get a wee smoke here now, mate, because I haven't fucking stopped in it. I think I was 2 hour carve non-stop there, bro. I've still to do all the undercuts, but I'll do that after I sand it. But all good, or bro. All good, or bro. Check out that. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? What you looking at? Check that out, bro. So I'm just gonna take him out here in a wee minute, bro, to the shed. Stick the oil on him. You see we good. All good in the hood, or bro. That's all, bro. Huh? Had to take it, bro. Stroker. Steve Roker. What do you think of that, bro? There's no way you're gonna send me Elder and I'm not gonna do something fucking special over, bro. Bro's getting a double one. That's your wee hook for hanging them up, bro. It actually hangs up. Good art, bro. So that's a wee gift for our bro Steak. For Sammy over at Elderwood. Hope you all enjoyed that wee video. I say a big thanks to everybody for subscribing, all the ones that leave comments, and everyone that's new to the channel. Happy days. So, there you go, guys. That there wee carving was done for Spike. As a wee gift, just to say cheers. So, thanks very much, bro. Hope you enjoyed that wee switch at the end with a wee sculpture. Everybody, stay awesome, stay creative.